Hey guys, welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to enable VODs on Twitch Mobile. And to do so, it's very easy, so let's get straight into it. Now, the first thing that you have to do is to go into your browser and then go to twitch.tv. Next, go to your profile. If you're not signed in, just sign in. And then go to the settings of your profile. So, if you are on the phone version, of course, you cannot access the settings directly. So, we will have to enable the desktop version of the browser. So click on the bottom left button and then click on the three dots in the right and scroll down a bit until you find the request desktop website. So check it, make it green, and then go to your profile in the top right. So go to the top right button and then click on your profile and go to creator dashboard. Now, once you are in the creator dashboard, you will have some pop-ups. So just click on no thanks and then go to the three lines in the top left corner, go to settings, stream, and then once you open stream, you will have to scroll down a bit until you find store past broadcasts. So just check this, and then you will have an optional feature to always publish VODs. So you can leave it on, you can leave it off, that's how you want. Then click on save changes and reload the page and you'll be good. So that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.